फैंटास्टिक प्रोसीड्यूर। आपने बोला था ना, अब की बार 400 पार बोला था। खेल शुरू हो गया था सर, खेला हो शुरू हुआ ना। खेल तो बहुत सा खेल है सर, चू कित कित भी खेल है। चू कित कित में चू धरा 400 में, कित 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 कितना हुआ? 240। वो गेम में भी हारा गया। इधर सर आपको, हम तो आपको ही देख रहे हैं, हम किसी को नहीं देख रहे। एक बार देखने से साइड से आपको ही देख सर। हम इसलिए आपको, आपसे ज्यादा स्मार्ट इधर कोई नहीं है, कोई जेंटलमैन नहीं है जो उनको छोड़ के आपको देखेंगे। गुड एक्टर्स भी आया लेकिन उनको नहीं देखता है, आपको ही देखता है सर। आपको सिर्फ आप ही है, आप अंदर में। Now said, people of this, remember your attitude towards opposition. You could not fulfill your promise, whatever you made in every field, either in मन की बात और in दिल की बात। मोदी जी का गारंटी है, लेकिन मोदी जी का गारंटी में वारंटी नहीं है साहब। पब्लिक there is no warranty, गारंटी है लेकिन वारंटी नहीं है। Sir, please keep in mind, I am addressing you. Please keep in mind, sir, that NDA government, this NDA government got secured around 48.86% vote, including 8.3% in NDA. Total is 48.86%. And what is the India got? This India got blocked. This India got bloc secured 51.14% vote. Remember, sir. Sir, yes. Sir, there is a change. Of course, suddenly there is a change in the country itself. What the Honorable President of India has said. What has been done, you know. Change is this. There is an unstable government and other side is a strong opposition in the country sitting here. हर पल, हर दिन, हर पल याद रखना होगा, हम लोग अनस्टेबल हो और वो लोग इंडिया ब्लॉक ज्यादा स्टेबल है, ज्यादा सख्त है। मेरा जो वक्तव्य हम रखेंगे इधर, जो हम बोलेंगे इधर, सिर्फ पार्लियामेंट में नहीं, पार्लियामेंट के बाहर भी लड़ाई चलेगा, पॉलिटिकल लड़ाई चलेगा और ज्यादा दिन नहीं रहेंगे। सिर्फ महाराष्ट्र का इलेक्शन होने दीजिए, उत्तर प्रदेश के इलेक्शन होने दीजिए, उनका बाद 1.5 बरस में साफ हो जाएगा इस गवर्नमेंट को, कोई नहीं सकता है। सर, इन आवर कंट्री,
आप लोग इधर बैठे, हम लोग इधर बैठे।
हाँ सर, एक्सेप्टिंग द इमरजेंसी डेज, never any prime minister misused his or her power for targeting the opposition leader by using ED and CBI like this government which has been happening. You are claiming a stable government, sir. What we have, what we want, we are habituated to see. What we are habituated to see, Narendra Modi ji, Prime Minister, is coming here, entering into the Parliament, standing in his stand, standing in his feet. He is delivering this speech with all confidence. Now what we see? Now we see that the Prime Minister is entering into the Parliament with a two crutch. One crutch is Nitish ji ka party, another crutch is Naidu Babu ka party. Two crutch leke chalta hai, और two crutch leke all over the India he will be moving around. Not only India, internationally he will be moving around. Earlier we have seen him, our Prime Minister, who was having so much confidence on him. Today he is not having that confidence on him. This is his head. Where? Said, always you have blamed us. Always you have blamed us that the corrupted leaders assembled and created opposition bloc of India Alliance. That is the allegations against us. All the time Modi ji has said it. Today also he will say this thing. But I have a simple question. Modi ji, what about Chandrasekhar Naidu? Chandrababu Naidu? What about Ajit Pawar? What about Prafulla Patel? Did CBI and ED arrested him? Chandrababu Naidu? Whether this case is still pending?
जो सदस्य यहाँ के मेंबर नहीं है,
ठीक
उनके
है,
बारे में नाम
चलिए
बताओ।
टीडीपी लीडर्स चेंज कर देता है, एनसीपी लीडर्स चेंज कर देता है। आप जो बोल रहे हैं आप चेंज कर दे। आर दे नॉट corrupted? Whether the TDP top leader was not arrested by the ED CBI, by last government itself, he has become now honest. हाँ, वॉशिंग मशीन में कैसा क्लीन हो गया देखिए बीजेपी का साथ रहने के बाद, ऐसा क्लीन हो गया। Now, what a political compulsion is having? What a political compulsion! नरेंद्र मोदी जी, what a फेट देखिए, क्या पॉलिटिकल कंपल्सन है। आपको भी डिसऑनेस्ट करप्ट लीडर्स के लेके सरकार बनाना पड़ता है, यही फेट है, फेट। Sir, in May 2024, during the course of the conduct of the general election to the Lok Sabha, Shri Narendra Modi and Amit Shah ji gave television interviews as part of their political campaign and asked people to buy shares before 4th June 2024. Amit Shah ji said, quote, "You can buy before June 4. This market will shoot up," unquote. The stock market crashed spectacularly after the declaration of results on 4th June, leading to a heavy losses of around rupees 31 lakh crores of the investors. This modus operandi of this was that all the Godi media predicted more than 356 BJP seats led India in exit poll. All that Godi media predicted inflated results for BJP almost in all states, and in our states claimed BJP would bag 29 to 31 seats, while results showed only 12 seats. Because of the prediction of the Godi media in the exit poll, the stock market saw an unprecedented rally on 3rd June. It is also important that the agency Axis My India was also hired by the BJP to conduct election survey for the party. Sir, BJP party, sir, do you know? Since you have not asked me not to take any name, I will not take name. But wife of topmost leader of the TDP earned 521 crores within one day because of crashing of the stock exchange. Who will conduct? Who will conduct now investigation? Who will conduct? No investigation because they are on that side. No.
आशा है ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा। इसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, चैनल को फेसबुक पेज को फॉलो करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इसको सब्सक्राइब करें।